You ever work out and feel like you need something for a strain your belly? Because like your belly are trying to get too involved in the workout. It happened to me. Because when I lose weight, like the belly start get kind of flabby. So the other day I did have to aggressively introduce the abs into the workout because girl is not a kangaroo, me can't be walking around with a pouch. Like big ups to all who can my good look them, me can't rock that look there because when my belly I drop below my my glamity, that's a problem. No, I really can't have that happening in my life. Hi everybody, greetings. How are you? Hope that your workouts have been doing very well. I am 2 days short of the end of the first month of Charlene. So in 2 days I will post a picture of what I look like now. I don't feel like I look very different, but I feel different in my body. Like you ever reach a point where you can feel your body take up less space in the room? That's the point I'm at now, where I can, like when I move around in the room, I can literally feel my body taking up less space in the room. But to me, I don't look that much different, but people tell me look different, so I guess that is all that matters. The other thing, okay, for people who are trying to work out and you're worried that you're going to lose your boobies, because I'm worried about mine, because every time I lose weight, my chest shrink, but when I gain weight, the weight don't come back into my chest. I wonder what kind of God would allow that to happen. I say, God, and I say, make a reason about this though. The only thing I'm really have going for me right now is my chest, and you want to take that away from me? At least wait till me get maga for bring them down so it's in a proportion. Anyways, I'm getting conflicting information, but it seems you cannot actually tell your body where it is that it is to lose weight from, but you can do things to make sure that your breasts them will try to remain with you as you go along your journey of losing weight. So I'm going to put the links below this video here. It has a lot to do with diet, like eating a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables and eating stuff that's going to produce encourage your body to produce estrogen instead of encouraging your body to produce testosterone. No, estrogen replacement is not going to do the same thing. You need like the natural source estrogen, and also because it's natural source, it's less related to like cancer and all of those types of things that they're saying that taking estrogen replacements will cause your body to do. So I'm going to put the links down there. You can look at them. A lot of the things that they're asking you to eat is stuff that you should be eating anyway to keep a healthy diet. So if you want to lose weight but keep your boobies, you might need to eat a lot of beans and then type of something there. Otherwise from that now, what else we need to tell you? Oh, on the note of boobies, if you're working out and you do have boobies, please invest in a good sports bra, because the jumping and the bouncing will actually put strain on the ligaments of your breast and actually cause them to sag. So if you don't want your breast them to long, like you hear that Skyping, somebody's Skyping me as we speak, and me forget to turn on the volume, so just in that excuse. Yeah, you don't want them to sag and long like cash pot line? Go ahead and wear a good fitting sports bra. Yeah, it's not a joke. Don't be working out in your regular bra. No. My roommate try to tell me I must wear a regular bra and a sports bra. Me I tell her I say too much washing for that week time. I don't really need that in me. Otherwise, hope you all are doing your workouts and you're eating healthy and all those stuff. But hey, yo, you see right now, soup everything for me. Before I go, soup everything for me. You take the ramen, right, as the base. You fill up the pot with beer water, because when you drink up only for water, you don't realize you're hungry again because the water full up your belly. And then you just take everything and throw it in on the ramen. Yeah, me can't really cook the good soup for them cook Sunday. Me can't cook this. It iron a sodium, so if you want to use like half a little flavor pack, you go ahead and do that. But put 10 peas, but put 3 beans something in there, some 6 beans salad, all type of something. I just mix it up in the soup and just bring like some spinach and some lettuce and everything in there. You want a bomb and a bomb and bam, and nobody don't know that I cannot cook, because by the time it's done, it looks like a real thing. Ramen, use it as the base, build up everything, and by the time you don't drink the water, you remember say you're hungry again. I will see you soon. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, be kind to your body. No hating on your body. But you have pouch up is for kangaroo. That is not for us. Abs on deck right now.